Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's Isaac, and today we are filming basically what's in my empty bin. So I basically started a bin with basically products I don't like, or products I'm starting to use up. So I'm basically gonna just take out the products in here that I have used up and basically telling you guys if I would repurchase it again. I've seen a lot of people make videos dedicated to products that they've used up and then putting them into a bin and then talking about them at the end of the month or something like that. So I'm gonna just talk about all my products that I've used up and letting you guys know if I like it or not. Most of it is skincare because I go through skincare like crazy. The first product I have is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and this has hyaluronic acid and all that fun shazam in there. And honestly, this is a really good moisturizer. It's in the $20 range, and I've repurchased this 3 times. I swear, I just threw out the other jars. This is what she looks like. She's very cute, very pretty, very fresh, and you get 47 mils of product in here. It gets your skin really nice and moisturized. It's really good before makeup, and I really enjoy this moisturizer. I find that it does the job, and it's a good priced moisturizer than paying for $30, $40, $50 moisturizers. I've been loving Neutrogena skincare, you guys. It's honestly so bomb, and the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum is honestly one of my favorite serums ever. I've been using that serum every day, and it's been doing such good wonders to my skin. I've also gone through a lot of tubes of that, and I just haven't put it in my empties bin. It's fine. So yeah, this is the Neutrogena Hydrogel Boost Moisturizer, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend that you guys go and check it out. I go through this stuff like crazy. I've probably gone through 20 bottles of these. Let's be real. This is the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist, and it has hyaluronic acid also in it. I love hyaluronic acid, as you can tell. It's one of my key skincare ingredients, and also retinol. I love retinol. And this stuff just literally leaves your skin feeling so plump and just so good. And I literally rave about this stuff so much on my YouTube channel, but this stuff is so good. And I literally recommend that you guys go try this out. Oh, it also has black goat too, and hyaluronic acid. We love that. And it's a youth preserving mist, and I just use it throughout the day if I need to freshen up, if I need a little more moisture. And it hasn't broken me out or anything, and it actually just feels like it's doing something to your skin, it's plumping, and it's so nice. I love it. And those are $20, and I don't like their other mists. I just like the Milky Mist. I don't know, I've just noticed that I like the Milky Mist the best. I don't really like their makeup setting mist because the pump is different. The spray isn't as fine, and I'm really picky about my sprays and my setting sprays. The mist has to be super fine. Everything has to be super nice on the skin. It can't be too greasy. It has to be nice. The Pixi Retinol Tonic Toner, and it has jasmine flower in it, which smells absolutely incredible, you guys. This stuff smells so freaking good, and I just love Pixi skincare too. Neutrogena and Pixi is my top 2 favorite drugstore skincare brands I've noticed, because I definitely go and look at their products the most, and I definitely buy their products the most, those 2 brands. And this stuff, they definitely, I don't know if they make a bigger bottle. They have their other toner in a big bottle, but I don't know if they make this one in a big bottle yet. But this stuff is so good, and they definitely should, because I definitely have noticed that my skin is just so much better when I use it, when I use this toner. Rich in antioxidants, and it also has a lot of retinol in it, so it's just gonna help replenish the skin over time and just make it look a lot more fresher and so much better, and just preserve everything, your youthfulness and all that good shazam. So I 10 out of 10 recommend this stuff. It is so freaking good, this retinol tonic, you guys. So bomb. I've been obsessed with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. It's a little pricier than other foundations. It's in the $50, $60 range, but if you feel splurging on a foundation, then I would 10 out of 10 recommend this one, because it is so freaking phenomenal, you guys. The formula is just so unique in its own way. I've never used a formula like this in my life. It's not too matte, it's not too dewy, it's just the perfect balance. So much time to work with this foundation, to blend it out. It doesn't dry up too fast. Definitely a more medium coverage foundation. But honestly, I love it. It is so freaking good. 10 out of 10 recommend buying that again. I did not, oh my god, I hated this Tarte Sex-Kin eyeliner. It was just not worth the price for me. Like, I've used creamier pencil black eyeliners from the drugstore, and this was just not it, sis. I know a lot of people really like this eyeliner, but I just personally don't. I don't think it's worth the price, and I find you can find something cheaper at the drugstore for way better. That's just me, though. And I also don't use primer anymore, but I thought I'd just throw this in case like anyone else uses primer. I used to use the No Problem Touch and Soul primer all the time, and this stuff is so good. I also like having a primer on hand in case I'm like working on a makeup client or something, because it looks better if you have a primer. Like if your client has like bigger pores, like I don't have huge pores, so I didn't really find that it did like a huge difference in my skin. But if your client has bigger pores, then that stuff like really fills the pores in and it just shrinks them down, and it's also like only $20, so love that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You guys know the drill with that. And I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.